Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to read some article from investing.com again. And before I start this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. For the title of this article is European stock futures age lower, sentiment remains fragile. Made at 5th, September 15, 2022 at 2 a.m. and made by Peter Nerds. Investing.com European stock markets are expected to open largely marginally lower Thursday, stabilizing after losses earlier in the week, but sentiment remain fragile as investors fret about the impact of tightening monetary policy as economic growth shows. At 2:00 ET, the DAX futures contract in Germany traded 0.4% lower. CAC 40 futures in France dropped 0.2%, and the FTSE 100 futures. The DAX futures contract in Germany traded 0.4% lower. CAC 40 futures in France dropped 0.2%, and the FTSE 100 futures contract in the UK traded largely flat. European stocks will receive the benefit of modest gains on Wall Street late Wednesday and in Asia overnight, but meaningful near-term recovery is unlikely. UK consumer confidence slipped to negative territory for the first time since the pandemic lockdown in the middle of 2020. Market research company YouGov reported that its reading of sentiment dropped 4.2 point to 98.8 in August as consumers worry about a tightening squeeze on living standards. Policymakers in Europe face the, the delicate task of balancing tackling soaring inflation on the back of high energy costs with risk of sharp slowdowns in their economies. At the moment, the inflation battle is uppermost in their mind, with the European Central Bank hiking interest rates by a hefty 75 basis points on Thursday, just weeks after a 50 basis point move, and promising several more steps over the coming months. With this in mind, Bar- Barclays expect a recession in Europe in the first half of 2023, with the UK bank forecasting that the Eurozone economy will contract more than 1% over the calendar year. French inflation data is due for release later in the season and is expected to show the annual rate falling to 5.8% in August, down from 6.1% in July, but the month-on-month rate rising 0.4% from 0.3%. Hot inflation data in the US earlier in the week largely cemented another substantial rate increase by the Federal Reserve next week, which weighed heavily on global stocks at the time. Okay, so that's for this. So only that for this video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoy, and I hope this will be very useful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.